If my hair starts to look crazy in the span of this video and the future from now, it's okay. I am just... Alright, let me stop for our blue lights. What? What's up, my sexy people out there? Big up yourself like you did the 44th president, son. We back in this thing, honey bun. I'm a rapper and a trapper, son dapper, Dapper Dan. I'm your friend. No, I ain't playing. Yes, I pretend that I'm the man. Woo! Bars. That's what I got. Cars. They ain't stopped. Oh, nigga, nice. Man, Mom Duke's hard parked. Ooh, we finna get ridden up. Hey, can one of y'all buy me and my mama a house? I appreciate y'all. I really do feel like 90s Hondas are the best Hondas ever made, bro. I don't create the standard.
I am the standard.
Hey, can't nobody do me dirty. I'm a walking bucket list, product of my suffering. Kobe at the Rucker. Hey, what's up, family? We back in action, bro. Today is a update. Yup. Yeah, man. Turbo stuff. Woo, 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 woo. All right, Randy got his Gallifo back from FAB. FAB hooked it up, bro. Look at that. Look at the well. Look at the quality. Yeah. Look at that, boy. So we're gonna put the Gallifo on today, along with the turbo. But what else we gotta do? Gallifo. That has to be this has to be cut and V-banded to that, so that can work. So once you have that, then the car will be ready for a first start, which would be dope. Cause you got the oil return line ready. We got to put the oil pan on later today. Randy's gonna do that later today. FAB did that as well. Yeah, man, that's what's going on, dog. Got some turbo content finally, bro. I love stealing content off the homies, bro. It's like this is what life is all about. It's called capitalism, bro.
All right, Fred.
Damn. Fred do be stealing content. Making our way downtown. Randy got metal shavings in his pan, which means I see a lot of metal in there, bruh. Hey, let me get, how much you want for this pan?
$100.
I'll give you 120, just cause you my homeboy.
Nigga.
Alright, I got you, bro. I'm gonna cash app it to you.
Alright, right now.
Yeah, give my shot.
Alright, nigga.
Thank you, bro. I want the oil too. Yeah, I need to do an oil change.
This inside too?
Yeah. And I want you to sign the inside. Alright, man. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button right now. And if you don't,
crackheads over there, cook. Cause I had an accident, man. I hurt my homeboy, man. My homeboy gotta go to the hospital, cook. Look at this shit, cook. Cook suing, cook. Cook suing, cook. We don't care, cook. Cook, you going to hell, cook. Look at him over there, cook. Y'all going to hell, cook. Look at Bank Street boys over there.
What the man? You gotta find that boat, cuz.
Man, cuz can't find that boat, cuz.
Cuz. Find the boat, cuz. We need that boat, cuz. Cuz. Oh, cuz done lost the boat, cuz. Y'all help us look for the boat, cuz. Cuz, boat might be gone, cuz.
It look like gone.
Cuz, I don't see it, cuz. Oh, cuz, we can't get that in the video, cuz. Oh, cuz, you done lost the boat, cuz. Oh, cuz, done lost the... You got a block here, cuz. What you doing with the block, cuz? You finna hit Debo? You gonna knock Debo ass out with the big ass brick, cuz? And he finna send Debo to sleep, cuz. R.I.P. Debo, cuz. Nah, cuz. Maybe you lost the boat, cuz. I don't see it, cuz. Damn, cuz. Ambulance, cuz. I'm finna call the ambulance, cuz. Help us try to rescue this big, cuz. Oh, cuz. Done lost the boat, cuz. Oh, cuz. How many you need, cuz?
16.
Oh, damn, cuz. How much you got, cuz?
15.
Oh, damn, cuz. You missing 2 boats, cuz.
1 boat.
15. I need 1.
You said it was 17 boats, cuz.
16.
Oh, Lord, cool. You might be gone and lost, cool. Can't help you there, cool. Ooh, that boy a beast, bruh. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah, Randy got a new car. I never told y'all that. Oh, yeah, I did. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I did? Hey, yo, Randy got a new car. I don't think I told y'all that. Or maybe I did. I don't think I did, though. Hey, yo, Randy got a new car. I don't think I told y'all that, though. Did I? I don't know. Hey, but hey, Randy got a new car. I'm sure. Oil pan is up. Randy just gotta snug it over. Well, snug it up. Covered by hand ratchet. Don't be like me and just use guns for everything. But I like using guns for everything, you know what I mean? Told that hammer like I'm from Alabama. Ooh, she's a city girl, so she come from Atlanta.
We're all in this together.
Get on your steppy step.
I'm about to bust my ass on this thing.
You finna do what?
Lava.
I'm finna fall and hurt myself.
There you go, bro. Let's put on your brand new Galafold. Wow. Look it. Man, you strong, bro. Man, you messing up the engine bay, bro. Let's see if Randy's a beast. And that man putting on the Galafold for good.
I mean, it's coming back up more.
Oh my God, bro. What are you doing? Why are you taking it off?
To get Karen coated.
Oh my God! Hey, you know there's a Karen coating shop right up the street. You should take it there. Support the local business, bro.
Yeah, the local business on wax.
Facts. But hey, you just gotta support, bro. Sometimes you gotta spend $400 for a $120 service. But who knows? Karen coating might be expensive though. Like I have no idea price range wise. But I'm gonna try my best to support the local businesses, man.
Bitch, you ain't support me.
All right, man.
Support me.
What? You're not a business. Show me your EIN number. Exactly. Shut your ass up, nigga. Look how cool Randy is, y'all. He got a clock turbo and it's precision. Dog, you're cool, man. I can't wait to be like you, big dog.
One day.
You know how many people told me to go boost? Hey, Zosh, go boost.
Your day will come, my man.
My day will come, bro. One day. I can't wait for it to come. I've been waiting for it to come, bro. I'm about to lose like 20 subscribers off this video.
And they're all
alone.
Jamaican.
Yo! Who is this? Batty boy? Yo, Mark!
Dirty boy for true.
Dirty boy that. Yeah, man. Dirty boy for true. Escovish. Man, that look cool, man. I should have went turbo with the RSX. I just wished I had a happy ending. Yeah.
Going on sad, bitch.
I'm going outside and bad.
And bitchless.
And bitchless.
Hang in there, bro. You'll find your queen one day. Psych, maybe not.
What is you doing? Hey, about to pour like a moth. bitch.
Alright, man, what the So, we can't do nothing else more to Randy's car. He has to buy bolts. Sometimes in life, you just gotta ball out, my G. Hey, that means it's only technically $15 a bolt plus shipping and handling. What does handling mean, bro? Like, you know, you gotta pay shipping and handling. What's the handling part? I'm asking real questions right now, bro. But, you know, that's gonna do it for this turbo build, man. Well, for today's session of the turbo build, I gotta go charge my phone and get ready to go shoot this music video. P Dollars is back. Hey, y'all think it's gonna rain? I don't know. Pretty sunny to me. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Look what I got in the mail. Yes, I got my MXP Strata aim dash with the street icons. You know what I mean? Street car, dude. Street car. Yeah. City Boys up 2 million. I finally got my aim dash. I finally got it. It took me a couple years probably, but I got it off the muscle. But that is gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, buy some merch, please. If you did not enjoy this video, buy some merch. Show me how much you dislike my videos by buying merch. Yeah. But all in all, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I already said that. Damn. Am I okay? But I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.